Okay, let's cover now backlash on the x-axis here. Now, you've got two ways to move the x-axis. You can use this handle here, which is for rapid feed. This will always be sloppy. This is to get the table from one end to the other in a quick manner. To get a precision movement, take this out of gear, push your half nut down, okay, and now we'll feed from here. This is where we want to take the backlash out of, is in the engagement of the half nut down here on the apron. Okay, in order to get access to the half nut, what I'm doing right now is I'm removing the threading dial. I've already taken one bolt out. We're going to take the other one out here, and then this threading dial can be just moved aside, okay, just like that. And what we've done is we've gained access to the adjustments for our half nut. Now this is a half nut out of one of these aprons from the Granite. It's actually two pieces. When you move the handle up and down, it moves the pieces like this. It pulls them together when you push the handle down and grips onto the feed screw here. We're going to adjust two things. We're going to adjust this little screw here that is actually on the bottom down here. This determines how close together these can actually come. We want them to fit tight around the shaft. The other thing we're going to adjust is the three screws down here. They adjust how tight this half nut fits in the apron to keep it from slopping and moving around. Those two things are how we're going to take the backlash out of this axis. Okay, let's adjust these screws here on the apron. I've loosened the top two nuts already. We're going to loosen the bottom one here and turn it down just a little bit. Now let's take a screwdriver, and what you want to do is tighten these down while you're moving this at the same time. Because when you get it too tight, you'll know it's hard to move. So back it up just a little bit until it gets free. Hold that set screw in place and snug that nut down. So let's do that with all three of these. That's going to adjust how tight that half nut is in the apron and keep it from moving back and forth. Okay, now for the nut down underneath here, and it's a little hard to get to, but what we're going to do is we're going to loosen the nut, and then you might have to use a little short stubby screwdriver, but the idea is to back this screw out until this pulls down just as tight as it possibly can on this shaft. At that point, tighten the nut and snug it up, and now you've done your backlash adjustments for the x-axis. Okay, you now know how to take the backlash out of your machine. The more you take time to do the little fine adjustments, the better the quality of your machining will be. Thank you, and we'll see you again. I want to thank you for coming into the Smithy shop and watching this video. I hope it's been educational and informative for you. Keep an eye out for our other videos that will be coming out soon. So this is Dave saying goodbye from the Smithy shop. Until next time.